What's up, OTD today?
You have a lot
Okay, so first, my jacket is from Cheer. This is from Academy.
Oh yeah,
My pants
he
are
goes on with it,
from
too.
Cheer. My thing is actually an earring because my belly button ring fell out and I can't find it. Let me see. Because my belly button ring fell out and I can't find it.
Is that Starbucks?
My spandex, I'm not going to show that because I don't feel like it. But my spandex are from Academy. Yeah, they're from Academy. My shoes are Nike and my socks are from Christmas last year. You go. Oh, and the chungo in my hair is from Coach Thomas, who is a bald man.
Jade,
Stop! I have Lady Gaga songs in my head.
American Eagle,
Poker
Old Navy.
It's probably because I was listening to her this morning. I love Lady Gaga.
Stop.
I used to be chill with her until the freaking Lady Gaga Dressing Press update, and I hated that.
Okay, I don't.
OTD. OTD.
Oh, OT.
I'm not freaking.
Okay, I got you.
Okay, I'll do it. Okay, I'll do it.
Go.
Okay, so I got my hair done professionally, and now it's dead.
Yeah.
I got this from my aunt, because she left it at home. I don't know where I got this from. I got this from my mom, and then I got this. I don't know. And I got these. I don't know. And then I got this from the mall. That's it.
All right, my turn. We're gonna turn this around like this. All right. Do that again. I got chills when you did that. I got no way you did that. Please tell me you got that on here. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyways, I got this from my cousin because he went to school there. I think so. This is from Shein. Okay. These are from Hollister. Just grab my butt.
I did it.
Okay. These. Don't look at my legs. They're very hairy. I have not shaved.
These are from Walmart.
This is from Vans. Okay. I got these on sale. Why did you Did you just breathe? And these. Breathe? These are from. I have no idea. Okay. This is from Kinder Scott. Okay. This is from. I have no idea. These are from Amazon. Bro, at the beginning of that laugh, you're like. Okay, now rewatch that because I want to see my. I want to see my fingers.
Bye, vlog. And my lip gloss is from
I
Flags.
want to see my what going what?